If you're over 50 and noticing that your vision isn't what it used to be, struggling to read in dim light, experiencing dry or tired eyes, or worrying about age-related vision decline, what I'm about to share could help restore and protect your eyesight while you sleep. There are specific foods that, when eaten before bed, provide your eyes with the exact nutrients they need for overnight repair and regeneration. Your eyes work incredibly hard throughout the day, processing light, color, and detail constantly from the moment you wake until you close them at night. After age 50, the cumulative effects of decades of light exposure, free radical damage, and natural aging begin to show up as declining vision. The truth is, your eyes have a remarkable ability to repair themselves during sleep when given the right nutritional building blocks. While you're sleeping, your body shifts into repair mode, and your eyes undergo critical maintenance that restores function and prevents age-related damage. Most people focus on eye health during the day, but completely miss the opportunity to support overnight eye repair. The foods you eat before bed directly influence how effectively your eyes can regenerate and heal during those crucial sleeping hours. Today, we're going to explore the specific foods you should eat within 1 to 2 hours of bedtime to maximize eye repair during sleep, understand why these foods are so powerful for vision restoration, and learn the optimal timing and combinations for maximum benefits. The first powerful food to eat before bed for eye repair is wild-caught salmon or other fatty fish. This might seem like an unusual bedtime snack, but the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon provide exactly what your eyes need for overnight regeneration. Your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye, contains the highest concentration of omega-3 fatty acids in your entire body. These fats are essential for maintaining the structure and function of photoreceptor cells that allow you to see. DHA, a specific omega-3 found abundantly in salmon, makes up about 60% of the fatty acids in your retina. Without adequate DHA, your photoreceptor cells cannot function properly, leading to declining vision. Eating salmon before bed ensures that your eyes have access to DHA during the overnight repair process when cell regeneration happens most actively. Your body uses this time to rebuild damaged photoreceptor cells and restore optimal function. Omega-3s also provide powerful anti-inflammatory effects that reduce chronic eye inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eye syndrome that plague many people over 50. Research published in the journal Ophthalmology found that people who consumed omega-3-rich fish regularly had a 30% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Salmon also provides astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that specifically protects eye tissues from oxidative damage. Astaxanthin crosses the blood-retinal barrier, delivering protection directly to your eyes. A 3 to 4 ounce serving of baked or grilled salmon, about 1 to 2 hours before bed, provides optimal eye-repairing nutrients without interfering with sleep. The protein stabilizes blood sugar overnight, preventing fluctuations that can affect eye health. If fresh salmon isn't convenient, canned salmon or sardines provide similar benefits. High-quality fish oil supplements taken before bed offer an alternative, though whole food sources provide additional nutrients. The second essential before-bed food for eye repair is leafy greens like spinach, kale, or collard greens, which provide lutein and zeaxanthin, the specific carotenoids that accumulate in your eyes and protect them from damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light and protecting delicate retinal tissues from oxidative damage. These compounds concentrate specifically in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Studies show that higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin significantly reduces the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. These compounds literally rebuild the protective pigment in your macula that declines with age. Eating leafy greens before bed provides these carotenoids during the overnight hours when your body is actively repairing tissues. The extended fasting period during sleep allows for optimal absorption and utilization. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides about 20 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin combined, which is at the higher end of the therapeutic range recommended for eye health protection. Leafy greens also provide vitamin K, vitamin C, and numerous antioxidants that support blood vessel health in your eyes. Healthy blood vessels ensure adequate oxygen and nutrient delivery to eye tissues. The magnesium in leafy greens supports blood pressure regulation, which is important because high blood pressure can damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina and optic nerve. Prepare leafy greens sautéed with a small amount of olive oil or butter about 1 to 2 hours before bed. The healthy fat significantly enhances absorption of fat-soluble carotenoids. A simple bedtime snack might be a small spinach salad with olive oil dressing or sautéed kale with garlic. Keep the portion moderate to avoid digestive discomfort that could interfere with sleep. The third powerful eye-repairing food is eggs, particularly the yolks, which provide a unique combination of nutrients specifically beneficial for overnight eye repair. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin in highly bioavailable forms that your body absorbs more efficiently than from plant sources. The fat in egg yolks helps your body absorb these eye-protecting carotenoids. Research shows that eating just one egg daily can increase blood levels of lutein by 26% and zeaxanthin by 38%. These compounds then accumulate in your retina, providing long-term protection. Eggs provide vitamin A, which is absolutely essential for vision, particularly for seeing in low-light conditions. Vitamin A is required to produce rhodopsin, the pigment in your retina that allows night vision. The protein in eggs provides amino acids that your eyes use overnight to repair and rebuild damaged tissues. This steady protein supply supports the regenerative processes that happen during sleep. Eggs also contain zinc, which helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina where it's needed. Zinc deficiency is linked to poor night vision and increased risk of age-related macular degeneration. The choline in egg yolks supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for the nerve signals between your eyes and brain. Better signal transmission means sharper, clearer vision. 2 soft-boiled or poached eggs about 1 hour before bed provide optimal eye-supporting nutrition. Avoid hard scrambling or frying at high temperatures, which can damage the delicate nutrients. Combine eggs with a small serving of leafy greens for a synergistic effect, where the fat in eggs enhances absorption of carotenoids from the greens. The fourth essential food for overnight eye repair is blueberries or other dark berries, which provide powerful antioxidants that specifically protect eye tissues from oxidative damage. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, purple pigments that strengthen capillaries in your eyes, improve blood flow to retinal tissues, and protect against free radical damage that causes vision decline. Studies show that anthocyanins can improve night vision, reduce eye fatigue, and help eyes adapt more quickly to changes in light levels. These benefits are particularly noticeable for people over 50. The antioxidants in blueberries protect the lens of your eye from oxidative damage that leads to cataract formation. Cataracts affect more than half of people over age 80, but dietary antioxidants can significantly reduce risk. Blueberries also provide vitamin C, which supports collagen production in the cornea and helps maintain the structural integrity of eye tissues. The vitamin C works synergistically with other eye-protecting nutrients. Research published in the Archives of Ophthalmology found that people with higher anthocyanin intake had significantly lower rates of age-related macular degeneration. Eating berries before bed provides antioxidants during the overnight hours when your eyes are undergoing repair. The natural sugars in berries are balanced by fiber, preventing blood sugar spikes. A half cup of fresh or frozen blueberries about 1 hour before bed makes an excellent eye-repairing snack. You can eat them plain, mixed into Greek yogurt, or combined with a few nuts. The combination of berries with a small amount of protein and healthy fat creates the ideal before-bed snack that supports eye repair without interfering with sleep quality. The fifth powerful food for overnight eye repair is carrots or sweet potatoes, which provide beta-carotene that your body converts to vitamin A, the most critical vitamin for vision health. Vitamin A is essential for the production of rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment in your retina. Without adequate vitamin A, you experience night blindness and progressive vision deterioration. Beta-carotene from orange vegetables is converted to vitamin A as your body needs it, preventing toxicity that can occur with preformed vitamin A supplements while ensuring adequate supply. Sweet potatoes and carrots also provide fiber that stabilizes blood sugar overnight. Stable blood sugar is crucial for eye health because fluctuations damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina. These vegetables provide potassium that helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, protecting the delicate blood vessels that supply your eyes with oxygen and nutrients. The antioxidants in orange vegetables protect against oxidative stress that accelerates age-related vision decline. These compounds work throughout the night to neutralize free radicals. A small baked sweet potato or a cup of cooked carrots about 1 to 2 hours before bed provides substantial eye-supporting nutrients. Add a small amount of butter or olive oil to enhance beta-carotene absorption. You can also drink fresh carrot juice mixed with a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil, or eat raw carrot sticks with almond butter as a bedtime snack. Beyond these 5 specific foods, timing and combinations matter significantly for maximizing overnight eye repair benefits. Eat your eye-supporting bedtime snack 1 to 2 hours before sleep. This allows time for initial digestion while ensuring nutrients are available during the overnight repair period. Always combine fat-soluble nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene with healthy fats for optimal absorption. A small amount of olive oil, nuts, or avocado significantly enhances nutrient uptake. Keep portions moderate to avoid digestive discomfort that could interfere with sleep quality. A small snack is sufficient to provide eye-repairing nutrients without overloading your digestive system. Stay hydrated, but avoid drinking large amounts of liquid right before bed. Adequate hydration supports the tear film that keeps your eyes comfortable, but excessive fluid causes nighttime bathroom trips. Consider rotating these foods throughout the week rather than eating the same thing every night. Variety ensures you're getting the full spectrum of eye-supporting nutrients. If you take medications or supplements, be aware of potential interactions. Some eye medications are better absorbed when taken with food, while others should be taken on an empty stomach. Beyond diet, support overnight eye repair by sleeping in complete darkness. Light exposure during sleep interferes with melatonin production, which protects your retina from damage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. During deep sleep stages, your body performs the most intensive repair work on eye tissues. Manage conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure that accelerate eye damage. The foods you eat before bed support eye health, but controlling underlying conditions is equally important. Reduce blue light exposure from screens at least 1 hour before bed. Blue light damages retinal cells and suppresses melatonin, interfering with both eye repair and sleep quality. If you smoke, quitting is one of the most important things you can do for eye health. Smoking dramatically increases risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Track improvements in your vision over time. Many people notice that their eyes feel less tired, dry eye symptoms improve, and night vision becomes sharper within 4 to 8 weeks. If vision problems persist or worsen, consult an eye care professional. Regular eye exams become increasingly important after age 50 for detecting problems early. Your eyes have served you faithfully for decades, and they deserve the nutritional support they need to continue functioning well. By eating these 5 eye-repairing foods before bed, you're giving your eyes exactly what they need for overnight regeneration. Start tonight with just one of these foods, and gradually incorporate others. Your future self, seeing clearly and comfortably, will thank you for taking action today.